Reviews and expert opinion. FastComet. FastComet's hosting plans include all the important features and are backed by some of the best support agents in the industry. Still, the greatest thing about FastComet is the number of data centers it maintains, many of them in hard-to-reach locations such as India, East Asia, and Oceania. This global deployment means that no matter where your visitors are, your website will be readily available. But is FastComet a good choice even if your target audience is in America or Europe? I tested it over a period of 3 months to find out. Overview. Trophy a stopwatch yes. Lock yes. Wrench shared, cloud, dedicated server. Light bulb 1. Storage, 15 GB SSD. 2. Bandwidth, unlimited. 3. Websites, $2.49. Is FastComet really the premium hosting service it claims to be? When I was asked to review FastComet, I was intrigued. You see, I used to work as a web developer, but FastComet was one of the very few hosts I never actually got to try and play around with. True, I could have probably lived a full life without knowing how good FastComet really is, but when the stars align so nicely, how can you say no? I proceeded to sign up as a fresh user and to test each and every aspect of FastComet's services. These services, by the way, include the classic trio of shared, VPS, virtual private servers, and dedicated hosting. Anyways, my expectations are not easily exceeded. I'm still looking for a powerful service that's honest, reliable, fast, and fairly priced. I can tell you right now that some parts of FastComet's service did impress me. I wouldn't describe FastComet's shared hosting plans as jam-packed with features, but we're certainly looking at some generous offerings. But that's really all right, especially when you consider what the plans include. Free migrations from other hosts to FastComet are also included, and so is a smart integration with Cloudflare CDN. A global delivery network that assists in quick delivery of content to your visitors. Wondering what the 2 advanced plans are for? Well, if you contract hosting mania, the insatiable need to host more than one website takes over. FastComet also advertises that a website builder by the name of FastComet Site Builder is available for use. Useful tools and an excellent global presence. Ever heard that hosting nursery rhyme, all the king's bandwidth and all the king's CDN couldn't reach Humpty Dumpty and come back again? There's truth to that. You can play around with your server as much as you want, but to provide effective service to your visitors, you need to be near them. That's 3 in the US and 1 in each of the following places: Canada, UK, the Netherlands, Germany, Japan, India, Singapore, and Australia. Without going into too much technical detail, a firewall is a software application that keeps the bad guys out, while still letting your prized visitors browse your website freely. Managed VPS service. If you're just starting out with a simple blog or a basic business page, a VPS is simply more than you require. These virtualized machines offer dedicated resources that enable you to run advanced and complex processes, like an e-commerce store with many simultaneous visitors. FastComet's managed VPS truly saves the day in this regard, being one of the most professional and hands-on managed services available on the market. You really won't have to worry about anything. Just specify what you need and you can make the transition to VPS as easy as pie. The designer was excellent. The UX guy got a bit lost. While a sleek, eye-catching design is key to an easy hosting experience, the logic behind this design also has to be sound. Good UX, user experience, means that everything behaves in a way that complements your intuition, instead of working against it. Creating an account with FastComet. Let's start with the sign-up process. Plan features are clearly laid out, and it's not going to take you more than a minute of browsing to identify which plan is right for you. You might get confused by the many available types of hosting: web, WordPress, WooCommerce, Magento, and more. But let me make it easy for you. It's all the exact same plan. Just choose whichever. I really hate it when companies pretend to offer customized solutions. After choosing my plan and completing a generic sign-up process, it seemed as if my hosting was active. But then again, not really. I had access to the account area, but my invoice was unpaid. What did I need to do to really activate my account? It didn't say, so I contacted support. Remember that if it's the data center locations that interest you, FastComet might be the only host that makes financial sense.